Hi everyone, I just got this new package from GANCUBE, so I'm gonna unbox it and yeah, let's find what's in it. Okay, so we got two puzzle, one electronic and one like just a puzzle pieces, number puzzle pieces. Okay, GAN 356 maglev, kind of a reborn of like the old 356 versions. So they put some rechange pieces probably, I guess. Here, okay. Okay, so according to this, there are different kind of games possible. Okay, so here from this position, I need to put this one in the big box here, down. So let's start. Okay. Right. Oh my god, I was so dumb. I was so dumb on this one. That's actually funny. That's actually like entertaining. Okay. Okay, so there are two number puzzle games, so the 8 and the 15. Let's try the 15. So it puts a random state, and from there we have to solve it, I guess. So let's start. I'm pretty lucky in. That is quite nice, actually. That's funny. I like the hand feeling gameplay when you play with it, so it's more like funny than just doing it on a screen or doing it like on video game. Alright, so that was the 15 puzzle game. That's pretty fun actually to play on it. So I guess there are many more features on the Klotsky game. So there is an app with some challenges and tutorial and socializing, so you can play online with other people. And yeah, that's pretty funny. Yep, so that's the new game of Swift Block. So it's nice to see that GAN is trying to get into new things, new games and new toys. So yeah, I might do a video for the GAN Superfix maglev as well. I'm not sure yet, but yeah, that was the video, the unboxing and testing video for this new game. And yeah, stay tuned.